Space 10's purpose is not solely product development. Space 10's purpose is concept innovation for IKEA in general. Product is obviously some part of the concept that ends up in people's home. So it is a big part of what IKEA concept is, but IKEA concept is much bigger than this.
It's not all about business within IKEA, it's actually about the vision, which is about making a better everyday life for people. And then you have to know what is a better everyday life. The approach for us doing both product development and design in general has always been, yeah, but let's talk to people. We saw that maybe it's not good enough just to look into what it is today and to speak to people what their needs are today. And that's why we set up places like this, like Space 10.
What does IKEA get out of Space 10 and what does IKEA get out of working in this way? I think, first of all, they wanted to get out of their normal way of doing things. They actually wanted to be shaken up. That they often tell us that, don't ever stop being rebels. You need to challenge us. If you don't challenge us, we don't need you anymore.
All of what we do here is actually one big experiment in itself. We have no idea whether it is going to bear the fruit that we have imagined for the future of the IKEA concept. So we're constantly tweaking it. Being transparent is a way to tell our story to the world and to IKEA, to inspire them to get better, to get more innovative, to get more daring. And on the other end, it's also a way to engage with the community of the people we would like to work with, people we don't know yet, but people that will eventually reach out because they know we are interested in exploring this area or this area where they are specialists and where we're not.
The people that we work with or the communities that we're trying to build is a big mix. So it can be anything from IDEO and MIT to students. So we really try to mix the people we work with and also the level of experience. So one project that has turned out to be moving more into the IKEA system has been a project we called Heat Harvest, which was one of the prototypes that came out of the collaboration with Copenhagen Institute of Interaction Design. So 2 students had developed an idea around taking wasted heat and reuse that to charge other devices. So basically, in short, it was like, what if your kitchen table could charge your phone? And they had figured out a way to take the heat from a hot coffee pot and turn that into energy that could charge your phone.
One of the things that we can see, of course, and that is due to urbanization. That is the change of how you look upon your home and how you furnish your home, from thinking of room sets into activities. And we could see that line of thinking changes also how you furnish from out of what are the most important pieces of furniture. And we could see that versatile items is becoming really important, things that you could use for a lot of different things. And that is connected to the fluid home, that you don't actually furnish in room sets with specific activities. And all of that is driven by less space and also technology and how you use technology in your home.
When it comes to the actual outcome of what we do here at Space 10, the tangible aspect of our work, I think it boils down for us to creating sparks, a lot of them. Because in the end, whether or not these sparks is turned into a wildfire by IKEA and ends up being available in everyone's home eventually, is out of our hand. The more sparks we create, the more and the better the story we tell. The more chance we have to create enough curiosity within the big IKEA machine so they are willing to set aside the resources, the people, this amazing pool of knowledge that they have in order to bring those sparks at scale.